Hello friends, so today we are going to continue with the third part of ISE Boolean algebra. In this video, I am going to tell you how to draw conclusion by two ways, that is by using truth table and by using algebraic laws. In my last video, I have told you about syllogism. So syllogism is the process of drawing conclusions, and we can draw conclusions by two ways, by using truth table and by using algebraic law. So first we are going to discuss by using truth table. So here we can see three variables are there, a, b and c. So a, b, c, how can we make the truth table for three variable is a will in the a will 4 0 and 4 1 and b 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 and c 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. As we can see this 0 0 0 is binary equivalent to 0 and 0 0 1 is binary equivalent to 1, then 0 1 0 is 2. So 0 1 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. So 0 to 7, three variables are there. Okay, so now we will deal it part by part. As we can see, this is the first part and this is the second part. So a implies b. In my last video I have told you how to handle this a implies b. When a is 1 and b is false, when a is true and b is false, then only the result will be false. So here we can see it is between a and b. A implies b. So 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here the condition is when a is 1 and b is 0, that a is true and b is false, so 0. Here a is true and b is false, so false. 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is a implies b. Now coming to b plus c. So b plus c is just disjunction. So when either of them is true or both are true, then we will go with true. 0 0 0 0 1. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Both are true, so true. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So now we are going to third part. We have handled this part and this part. Now we are going to handle the full compound proposition. So here we can see that AND operator is there. So AND will give true when both are true. So here 0, here both are true, so true. Both are true, 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 true and true. So in this way we can draw conclusion by using truth table. It might be asked what is the result. So you can write it as we got contingency. This is contingency, mixture of zeros and ones. So now coming to second part, that is by using algebraic laws. So there are near about 11 to 12 algebraic laws. So in algebraic laws, first is properties of 0. When we will add 0 to any proposition, it will give the same proposition. When we will multiply to the proposition, then it will give 0. This is dot represents AND operator. Then next is properties of 1. When we will add 1 to any proposition, it will give always true, that is 1. And when we multiply 1 to any proposition, then it will give a. Next is absorption law. So absorption law is a plus ab equals to a. When it is so, it will be like a plus ab. So when we will take a common, so it will be 1 plus b, and 1 plus b is 1. So a into 1 is a. So a plus ab equals to a. Now changing plus with dot, as we can see there are two forms, plus and dot, plus and dot. So now plus dot, and here dot is there, so it will convert into plus. So a into a plus b will remain same as a. Next is involution law. So involution law is like this a double bar. So it will cancel this, it will remain same a. So a double bar equals to a. So involution law states that a bar ka whole bar equals to a. Now coming to idempotence law. So idempotence law is when we add something to something, it will remain same. When we will add something to something, it will remain same. And we will add multiply it with same, then it will also remain same. So a plus a equals to a and a dot a equals to a. Now coming to next, that is complementary law. So in complementary law, we will add a proposition with its complement. A plus a bar will equals to 1 and a into a bar equals to 0. So let us draw a truth table for this. So here we will take a, here a bar, so 0 1 and a bar will be 1 and 0. So now a plus a bar means here plus, so when either of them is true then it will give true. So 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Okay, now multiplying it, a into a bar, so it will give 1 only when both are true. So here we cannot see that condition, so here will be 0 and 0. So we can say that a plus a bar equals to 1 and a into a bar equals to 0. So now coming to next, that is commutative law. So a plus b equals to b plus a, and now plus is changed to dot, so a dot b equals to b dot a. So this is commutative law. Next is associative law. So associative law is a dot b dot r equals to a dot b dot r. A plus b plus r equals to a plus b plus r. We can draw the conclusion by similar way in this by using truth table. Next is distributive law. So in distributive law, it is a dot b plus r equals to ab plus ar. So just multiplying a with b plus r, so a dot b plus a dot r. So next is a plus b dot r. So as we have seen that dot is changed to plus and plus is changed to dot, so dot is changed to plus and plus is changed to dot, dot is changed to plus. So this is distributive law. And the most important law which we use most often is a plus a bar b equals to a plus b. So it comes like p plus p bar q equals to p plus q. So this is most important. Next is De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law is a plus b ka whole bar. So it will be like a plus b ka whole bar is equals to a bar plus will change to dot b bar. If it is like a dot b ka whole bar, it will be a bar dot will be changed to plus, so plus b bar. Next is conditional elimination. As I have told you earlier that a implies b equals to a bar plus b, so this is also known as conditional elimination. Next is biconditional elimination, that is a double implies b equals to a implies b dot b implies a. Okay, so now we will be solving a question which came in ISC 2016. So the question is, show that x plus y dot x whole bar is a tautology. So the compound proposition is x plus y dot x bar. So इसे हम लोग दो तरीके से करेंगे, पहले algebraic method से, then by truth table method. So first is by algebraic method. So in algebraic method, first we will open this whole bar by using De Morgan's law. So by using De Morgan's law, which states that a dot b whole bar equals to a bar plus b bar, dot will change to plus and plus will change to dot. So now applying this De Morgan's law, x plus y bar dot changes to plus x bar. So now x plus x bar and plus y bar, यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि x का कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म लिखा है. सो वी विल बी यूजिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ. बाय कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ, complementary law states that x plus x bar equals to 1. So 1 plus y bar. So now we can say here 1 is adding to a proposition. So it is by using property of 1. By using property of 1, 1 plus y bar will become 1. And since the conclusion drawn is 1, so this compound proposition is a tautology. अब हम देखेंगे बाय ट्रुथ टेबल मेथड. सो इन ट्रुथ टेबल हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल हैं x एंड y. सो दो वेरिएबल हम कैसे, x है तो 0 0 1 1, y को 0 1 0 1. तो पहले हम लोग वाई डॉट एक्स निकालें, वाई डॉट एक्स ये तभी 1 होगा when both are 1. So 0 0 it will 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 both are 1, so it will be 1. Now whole bar of y dot x whole bar. So y dot x whole bar will be just opposite of this. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0. Now x plus y dot x whole bar. So we know that plus will give true when either of them is true or both are true. So here we can say that see 0 and 1, so it will be 1 0 and 1 1 1 and 1 both are 1, so 1 and 1 0 1 is true, so 1. Since the conclusion drawn is 1, so it is a tautology. अगर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आपके एग्ज़ाम में तो और आपसे पूछा जाता है कि आप अलजेब्रिक मेथड से शो करें, तो यू हैव टू मेंशन ईच स्टेप विद द लॉज यू आर यूजिंग, एंड इफ इट इज़ आस्क्ड कि आप ट्रुथ टेबल मेथड से शो करें, देन यू हैव टू शो इन दिस वे, एंड at last you have to write that since the conclusion drawn is 1, so this proposition is tautology. So in my next video I will be going to do some more previous year questions from this part. Thank you.